certainly a feeling that education is not so much about opening up young people's minds to the possibilities of the future, but is more about turning them into economic units, preparing them for the workforce, conditioning them to accept what, for many, will be an unfulfilling life, serving the needs of the businesses, corporations and enterprises that make the money that, so they say, makes the world go round. What will become of their dreams?
Hey, teacher, we must